Nice music. And then the hula. You want to go hula? Alright. This way, that way. This way, that way. Yeah. That's good. So those hips.
See? Immediately he's like, ooh.
Feels good?
Yeah.
You'll learn it. It's okay. Don't worry. I'll come around. Just relax. So then you start on the bottom. And start again.
You're not dancing. There you go.
No. Bend your knees. You got to ha-ha. Yeah, and then swing the hips.
Yeah, you're surfing. You're surfing.
Yeah, when you surf, you got to bend your knees too. Yeah, same
That
thing.
is a surfing.
It's a different thing.
Okay, and then the foot, you hold it right here. And you come at an angle. With your forearm. So you want to go beyond the toes, yeah? Yeah. And then your integration stroke. Forearm shower. So hold the ankle on the outside.
Outside.
Don't even hold it, just touch it with your finger. So it's really an effleurage, but you're gonna take the whole side of the body, stretch the arm, giving the arm back with a little bend.
Oh.
Okay, you always want a little bend before you do your forearm stroke, and then forearm. Three of those. Do the steamroller thing, just don't be afraid. Those fingers